buddy. I got yours right here. Let's go over to the catio. Come on. Come on, bud. Hi. Hello. Good morning. Good morning, Marty. Thank you for serenading me at the window. So all evening there was really serious storms around us and we were getting nothing. Absolutely nothing. And then when we went to bed, sometime like 1 a.m., I finally heard some rain. Oh, I'm very pleased. It's just over 3/10 of an inch. I'd love to have seen a whole inch, but that's at least that counts as rain. That might have actually wet things under the trees. Thank goodness. So Johnny visited Hydra Island this morning and I have pictures of cats. They have a huge TNR'd cat colony, stray cat population on that island. Bunch of volunteers take care of the kitties. Come in several times a year for vet services and, you know, spay, neuter, trap, neuter, release, TNR. He was pretty excited to visit with all the kitties.
I want to go back to Jules. It's nice and comfy in Jules. It's all sticky and yucky out here.
It is very sticky out here.
You're mean making me walk today.
I'm not mean. But I may have thought for a half a second about not going today while we were still back at the house. You're a determined girl. She doesn't, you know, let you off the hook. I'm sorry.
Man, that's okay. She's keeping me healthy.
It's not the usual day, but we got guys with mowers today. It's only a little after 9, so no activity at the splash pad until 10. And the fence people are here. Don says with all of this humidity and evaporation, he thinks it might lead to more showers today. I guess the better chance for showers is tomorrow. But after 3/10 last night, we're sort of off the hook for at least one day. I would love it if we got 2 or 3 inches. Can pour for an entire day for all I care. Wow, the town of Fuquay has a police pickup truck. I'm not sure I've seen that before. There's the camp kids. And the guys are putting up the fencing here on the back side of ball field. I guess that's 1 and this is 2. And they're working on the backstop also, 2 groups of people. This is our second time around. One more time to go. It's so humid. There's the cop on the Segway-like device. That must have been what was in the pickup truck. They must use the pickup truck to deploy that. Maybe he's practicing because we really don't have anything going on today that I'm aware of that would warrant it. But I'd love to see those guys up and down the trail a few times a day. Just let the kids know they shouldn't be doing things on the trail, you know, a little visibility down there. Today appears to be the day they go down the trail. One mower is in front of this mower. So only one mower headed down the trail and he's on the stand-on one. I guess that makes sense. I think he's gone all the way down on the right and he's coming back on the left now. Nice that he's been mostly in front of us where we couldn't hear it for most of the way. How long were we out there today? You don't have to tell me if you can't read it.
I can't read it.
But we're ready to be back in the AC today.
It's my favorite thing. It's over.
I'm watching Marty. So Don and I are enjoying the Model Y teardown on Monroe Live. Pretty cool stuff. Ruby and I never made it out yesterday. It's hard to want to go places, you know, for a drive when it's nearly 100 degrees, you know, if you don't have to. I'm moving very slowly. He's still over there, so that's good. Michelle's on her way, but running a little late. I told her I'd meet her inside. I'm gonna go look for Legos. Sometimes they set them out first thing when they open, and if they do, I want to grab them. Wow, you gotta love vintage toys. This is cute. I guess it's a trivet. Show me the purse again. The purse is really cute. Oh, wow. Oh, it's all Scooby stuff. Well, I'd have wore my Scooby shirt today if I'd have known. I like that. I really like it.
Let me show you something that's really cool.
Okay.
Because this is, like, I don't know if you can.
Oh, it glows.
It will glow. I mean, if you do it long
You
enough.
need to wear it while you're playing at the indoor laser tag.
Yeah,
Oh my
no
goodness.
wonder.
Who knows what this is? I do. And it's coming home with me because it's only $4. Somebody donated 300 records, and we found some of these RCA discs, which we found before. There's a Wrath of Khan and Alone in the Dark and the Black Hole. The Black Hole are some really cool ones in there. Oh wow, these are blank greeting cards. Just somebody's photographs. They signed them on the back. Photo by L.T. Parker. Slice of Life Spider Series. That looks perfect for you. So I think this has got to go home with me. I found some kitty cat mats. I'm very excited. Under your gown so you can stand. Michelle said they might be bridesmaid shoes. I'm like, oh, the shoes you will find here. Michelle and I studied these. Funny. Well, that was almost for me because I saw the back side of it first. The back side's cute, literally, right? Michelle's taking it to Ariel. Show us the Great Gatsby. That's pretty cool. Ariel loved Hamilton.
Yes.
She hasn't seen the Great Gatsby though?
No.
Not yet anyway. We think Michelle found a new couch and love seat for the mother-in-law suite. It's recliner. It's really sweet. They marked it half off. You can't go wrong with it. Hey girl, it's only 2 o'clock. You sure you don't want to shop a little longer?
I spent all my money.
I hear ya. And then you got the stuff that I got for you the last time I was here too.
Yep.
I ride around with stuff in the back for you all the time, it seems.
I'm glad I have some room left in the van.
Good. So I am working on the house just a little bit here at 7:30 after dinner. I want to make a few engineering changes to this. Number one, I need the second floor to be pull-offable from the first floor, and that's what I'm working on here. The builder made the third floor pull off the second, but not the first pull off, the second pull off the first. And then there were no stairs between the floors. Gasp. That's like unheard of. So this is the start of the stairs. It's down several ways further, but I'm adding the stairs so I can modify the floor, so I can modify how the floor attaches in. This builder was, shall I say, lazy, and was going to use these big pieces on the back side of the building, and I don't want to do that. I have all of these extra pieces in this color, not counting there's probably some extra in the build. And so I'm going to interleave bricks on the back side and stick in a few windows. The second floor, he does that, but he didn't do that with the first floor. And he put bookshelves blocking the windows. Why not put them against the solid walls? So anyway, I had engineering things in my head I need to resolve or I can't get any rest tonight. So I got this special piece on the top, and this wall should be pretty much the way it's going to be. This wall, of course, I still have to build, but I need to get my hand in there, so I'm not finishing that yet. You can see the stair steps. I should have plenty of room here and here for bookshelves. Like I said, I might put a low bookshelf toward the front, but I'm not going to put the tall ones that he showed up there. This is the floor that goes on top. It's still sticking a little more than I'd like. There's too many studs up here, but it's very hard. I can get rid of these ones, but then there's still a second row. Hi, do you like to help? You do, and I love you. It's a good girl. I'm thinking I'm going to remove the black studs, but the rest of these I'm stuck with. That's just the way it's going to be. And let's see what else. Well, I got to do the floor down here, which is a checkerboard pattern between the gold and the bright yellow. And build the bookshelves and, you know, add some minifigures and such. And then I can stick this on and build up from there. So I'll sort of be setting this aside and working on this piece. But this, it fits nice. I had to work on it quite a bit. Add in that hole for the stair step, and you can see the stairs in there. I really like how the stairs turned out, which is in the original build, not the designs I've got now. At any point, it's coming along. It's 9:30 now, I guess a couple hours on it. Alright, I saw a way to fix it and I just couldn't stop. It's another 30 minutes. It's 10 o'clock now. That's just how I roll. But I redid this over here so it's mostly flat. Redid the black surface and redid over here. This is not what, you know, that's like on the outside. That's decoration. But this is where that piece actually lays. And there's a lot less for it to stick to now. So especially once I get the flat tiles on the floor of it, it ought to stay together and I ought to be able to lift it on and off pretty good, which was my goal.